Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to demonstrate subtracting decimals with regrouping. So here's my example, 6.1 minus 1.7. And we're going to start up subtraction in the ones place value. Now we cannot subtract 1 minus 7. So this is where we're going to need to regroup. And we're going to do this by taking away one group of 10 from our tens place value. So I'm going to cross out 6 and change this to a 5 since we're taking away one group of 10 here. Now we're going to take that group of 10 and add it to our ones place value. So this 1 is going to change to an 11. Now that we've done our regrouping, we can go ahead and start doing our subtraction. So 11 minus 7 is 4. And 5 minus 1 is 4. And with our decimal, we're just going to keep it in the same place and bring it down into our answer. So our final answer is 4.4. If you guys like what you learned in this video and you want to see more videos on subtracting and decimals, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss anything.